The software is very easy. It's visually based. It's free. It's on our website. You just have to buy a simple programming dongle, a USB dongle to plug into your laptop. And I'm going to demonstrate that software for you right now so you can see how easy it is. So you should be able to see our screen here now. One page, simple setup for the programming software. So we've plugged in our 25SP encoder here. That's our shafted programmable encoder. And we've read its current status. And in its current status, it's set for 10,000 pulses per revolution, push-pull output, and B leads A. That's your counting direction, your forward direction. What direction counts up and what direction counts down? Well, you know what? I want it to count the other direction. So I'm going to change this to A leads B versus B leads A. And we even have a nice picture below so that you know what the signals will look like coming out of our encoder. We also have a selection where you can choose the output type. This was set up as push-pull because I was sending it to a digital readout. Maybe I decided, you know what, I'm going to send this to an HMI, and that HMI requires complementary signals. It wants line driver. So I simply just choose line driver, and I really want this encoder to have 35,000 pulses per revolution. So I'm going to change this to 35,000. I'm going to hit program, and I'm done. I unplug the encoder. I go on with my life. If I'm at an OEM and you got to do 5 of these in a batch, you would just hit program another, attach another encoder and click OK, and you're all done. No manual required.